I'm so sad, you guys. Charlotte is leaving us today. This is her last day with us. But we still have 3. And today we still have 4. So no worries. And I hope you still remember to comment the videos in this series, because all of them will make you part of the giveaway. And you never know when the next one will be. I'm still having at least 3 more before Christmas. Another thing I have to say, this will be up tomorrow. Estee Lauder, this beautiful, beautiful thing, and some other gift ideas for the holidays. And as you can see, I look horrible. But my day has just been so crazy. It's kind of getting late and I just have to get this video going. Day number 12, you guys. We are starting up with Harrods. We have something from Bobbi Brown. This is a Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Taupe. Wow, I like that. So this is an eyeshadow stick. So that's a good one. We will definitely try that one. Then we have Charlotte, our last day with Charlotte. Let's see what she has for us for the last day. Looks like a mini lipstick. It's a kissing lipstick in the shade Icon Baby, I think. This is how it looks like. I mean, you get a decent amount actually. Let's have a look. Cult Beauty. This is a K.I.S.S.I.N product again. This is a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. Basic K.I.S.S.I.N packaging, but this is a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. How to use: shampoo, do not condition, towel dry thoroughly, begin with 1 pump, add more as needed, depending on length, thickness and condition. Apply all over, maximum recommended usage is 3 pumps. Wait 4 minutes, do not rinse out. Then comb, add product per style as usual. Use for 4 to 6 washes, then as needed. From SpaceNK, and it's 2 products. I like it when it's 2 products, you guys. Oh, it's 2 products from Color Wow. The one is called Dreaming, Advanced Repair and Resurfacing Treatment. 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounces. Shampoo, remove excess moisture. Apply a generous amount to hair from top through to ends, distributing it evenly. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse. Use every 2 to 3 shampoos as needed. And then we have the Color Wow Dream Coat. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. So it says directions: use every 3 to 4 shampoos, shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, divide into sections, spray each section liberally, comb through, and blow dry each section using tension. Dry or heat required to activate product. So this is 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. So that's a really good combination from Power Wow. I think I would have preferred one of them in a full size instead of 2 smaller ones, but at least you get to try them. So that was 4 calendars today also. Remember to comment below what's your favorite today, and it's going to be 2 videos tomorrow. Also the one with the gift sets and the beautiful Estee Lauder gift set. I'm looking forward to that. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.